Hey guys, welcome to Nature's Therapeutic, and you won't believe where I'm at. I told you guys I would be back, and I'm starting off from top of the world, folks. That's right, top of the world. I am at Treetop again. For those who wanted to see this again, this beautiful park. Beautiful park. Actually, I can see the fruit tree from here that actually bloomed since I've been gone. Right in the middle. There's a fruit tree back there. Wow, look at that. Okay, folks, I'm going to walk this park today, and we're going to see some things. Very nice. People out and about today, shooting videos. We're going to go up this way and we're going to swing around to the right side. Beautiful. Trees just go soaring. Look at that. There's a lot going on here, folks. Swing around this way. There you go.
Hello. Thank you, sorry.
This is a very nice tree. Huge tree. Vines soaring up. Very nice. It's peaceful back here, guys. I hear ya. It's really cool back here. A lot of shade. Not hot at all. You wouldn't even think it's really hot outside if you was back here right now. Whole different climate. I'm not going to make this a long video, guys. I'm actually going to head over to the swampy area that people wanted to see a little more. I guess I didn't stay over there long enough, so I'm going to head over there. And I'm probably going to end it over there and enjoy the rest of my nature day. Here are the invasive plants again. They don't mind if you pick. Put in bags. Look at this pure historic looking tree. I wonder what stays under there, folks. Definitely something. That is really weird. And these are everywhere. Look at that. You can come here and get these, folks. Don't spend a lot of money at these stores buying these. These are free. And here are those fruit trees again. I don't know what type of fruit that is, but I see them through the park. I don't know if that's edible for humans. Somebody's eating them because there's only a few of them. What is that, an orange? Folks, these are oranges. This is an orange tree. Wow, that's an orange tree. That explains last time I was here, I was seeing oranges on the ground. I said, wow, somebody's feeding animal oranges around here. You know, personally, me being here for a while, this is the first time I ever ran into an orange tree in Florida. And I see the tree right here. This is the orange tree right here. This is how they look. Amazing. And there's oranges on the ground. But this is how they look. I wish I could get one down. Oh, I can't get one down. But there you go, folks. They're old, and that's the tree. That's amazing. That is amazing. Never seen one of those before. Oh, here's another orange tree. Oh, just walked into that web. And that orange is actually edible up there. Wow. Now I can actually see them. Small ones, growing. I wish I can dig one of these orange trees up and take it with me. I've never really seen an orange tree. And there's another. They actually produce when they're small. They actually start to produce when they're small. Thought those were bananas, but they're not. Almost look like bananas up there. But here's another orange tree. See this, folks? This is actually an orange tree. So what's cool is these animals have something to eat around here. I can actually smell the citrus. Here's an orange on it that fell on the ground out of the tree right here, folks. Those are oranges. You can see where animals are actually eating the ones that fall. Didn't know that. See, sometimes you miss certain things when you come back. Oh my God, this tree kind of tricked me for a minute. I thought that was a snake going up the tree. I was trying to get back, guys. But actually, that's a vine to the plant that you see that grew in the tree, and that's pretty cool. It grew into the tree and crawled its way up the tree. That's spooky. This long vine just going up the tree. And it looks like a snake. And it's just wrapped around. There's a smaller orange tree. There's orange trees all through this place. I would think where there's orange trees, there's tarantulas or some type of spider. You know, I didn't see any signs saying that, but you never know. How you doing? All right. All right, guys, we are at the swampy area. And we're going to go see just what you guys wanted to see, so Here we go, folks. I don't know if we're gonna see any gators today, but they're here. No fishing, no swimming. You definitely don't want to swim in this. Definitely don't want to swim in that, folks. And I can tell you right now, this looks like swampland. This looks like you might lose a leg or two. This looks like you might lose a arm and a finger. Don't play in here. Yes, something's in here. You can definitely see that. This is their environment. I'm not going to mess around in it. Like I said, there will be no chicken dinners off me. Water environment is kind of low, but I can definitely tell you that when you see stuff like this, there's probably an alligator nest in there somewhere, and maybe one even hidden in there, just sitting in there. I actually can see an alligator egg right here, folks. You see that little white shell in the middle? You're looking at a alligator egg in there. It looks like it may have been hatched already. That is definitely an alligator egg. Sitting right in the middle. I knew it. Hey man, I've watched the Alligator Catchers a long time now. I love that show. Get him, Buck! Get him! Get him, Buck! That's my buddy right there. Buck's gonna get him too. Turtle down here, huh? Turtles and fish. Look at that. Got turtles and fish down there. We're gonna walk the other end now, folks. Check the other end out. Last time I didn't go on this other end. This is what you guys want to see, so we're gonna go down there. And I will end it from there, folks. This is a nice nature park. It's huge. If you watch my previous video, I pretty much walked all the trails already. I didn't pretty much go back all the way fully back towards the back where the alligators at where I'm at now. So I'm not going to go through the rest of it and show you guys the same thing again. But I'm going to show what wanted to be seen. Look at that. Fish is just sitting there. Just hanging out. The water's very low. We need a lot more rain. It's rained a few times, but not enough. We need more rain, folks. And I can tell you right now, there's probably a gator in there as well. Somewhere in that brush, there's a gator hiding. Haven't seen any gators yet, but I'm sure they're here somewhere. Feels amazing out here. And we're coming to the end of this part, so I'm gonna hang out down here for a few, and I'm gonna end the video, folks, right down here. Oh, the breeze feels amazing out here. Got things moving around down there. Something's down there. I don't know if it's a turtle. Something's making its way down. What do we have down here, folks? It's moving all around. Oh, we have a turtle moving around. That's what's moving around. There's a turtle there. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Moving all that stuff around down there. Well, the alligators are hiding out, folks. They're hiding out today. And I am going to end this video, folks, and enjoy the rest of my time. As always, it's been fun. It's been real. Thanks for hanging out with me. And as always, nature is therapeutic. And I'm out of here. Have a blessed day.